How to search Craigslist by state. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can search Craigslist by state, or how you can choose or search by your location or specific location. Now it's quite simple and easy. Now if you do it on app, it might be quite complicated, but the process is similar. However, on browser it is quite simple and easy, comparing it to the application itself. Now if you want to do it on application, you can do on the Craigslist application. However, if you do want to do it on the browser, all you have to do is you want to head into your browser and you can simply search in for Craigslist, and you'll get the very first link. You can see Craigslist. You want to simply tap on it and let it load up. Now once this loads up, you can see at the very top left corner there you can see location, and under it says Lucknow. No, it's the only location that has been searched. What you want to do is at the app as well, you'll get the similar interface. At the top left only you'll find the location, so you want to simply tap on it at location, and you can see choose search area. You can either select nearby areas, or you want to simply tap on Craigslist worldwide, and then you can zoom into the particular area that you want to search. This is the map here, you can see, and it's the particular area that you have been searching for. You can either select US, Canada, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Middle East, and Oceania, and Latin, and you want to simply tap on it, and you can zoom in and you can search it from here this way. So you want to select this state and it'll search it from that particular state. As you can see, it's loading up. It might take a few seconds. And now previously my search was from Lucknow, and now if I see, you can see it's changed to Kaiser Slaughteran. So this way you can search Craigslist by state. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.